Hello guys, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to hack Roblox Case Clicker. So the first thing not hack, but get free casebooks very fast. So you're just going to search AutoClicker. As you can see, I already searched it. Search for this one. Link in the description. You just press download. Very fast, 5 seconds. Just take for me. So easy peasy. Like you can see, you just press save and open map or whatever, and you can see you have right here. You just double click, and okay, you can see I have the open there. So I'm starting with this 100 milliseconds. Oh shit! And I'm already in the game, so 100 milliseconds, not that good. If you're new, you can set it to this, but if you're like me, you set it to this, because I get 10,000 per click. So this is me, and let's see if I had some trades. So I'm on the new marketplace thing that came with me. And you just press F6, and you just get the was that in 2 seconds? F6. What the fuck? 2 seconds. Does it not work right now? Start. Oh, now it do. Stop. Hotkey fail. Hotkey settings. F6. Yes. F6. Now it works. You can just press F6 right now. There we go. Free casebooks. Very easy. Just do it yourself and you will get many ka-ching. Bye bye guys.